Hi fellows, and this time I'm not going to explain anything on the Lotus Elise, but I'm seeking your recommendations and your comments and your advice actually on how I should fix a certain problem on this Lotus Elise. You might know that I started fixing this Lotus Elise a long time ago. It was a total loss. That's also why the clamshells are still off. But I do have a problem on one of the sills, and here you have the sill. And on the other side, the sill is damaged and I will have to do something with it. And that's why I'm seeking your advice on how you would address this problem or how you would fix it. So please provide me a comment if you don't mind, so that I have a pretty good idea on what I should do, because I'm a bit in doubt on what I should do. But let me show you first now what the issue is. And this is the tip of the sill, and this is where the clamshell comes on. And this one is pretty good, but let me show you the other side where I have the problem. On this side is gone. This is the part which is missing. So now I'm having the challenge to fix this, and I think I can fix it in many different ways. So there's a couple of ways on how I could fix this, and I could replace the whole sill. And here I have a right-hand sill ready to be mounted on the vehicle, but that's a very intensive job. It's a lot of labor involved in this one, and it's not that easy either. And in fact, even Lotus recommends not to do it if you don't have to, and try to do as much as you can local repairs on that sill. Now, the sill by itself has no structural purpose whatsoever, so you can do these fixes on the polyester very easily without affecting anything on the car. So that is one of my options I have. I am not sure if this is the option I really want to use, but I'm considering it, and that's where I'm seeking your advice. But let me show you the other options that I actually have. And instead of replacing the complete sill, I could also work with pieces. I could do a cutoff right here where I have this tape and then just glue on the top part, or I could cut it here or another place. So I'm really looking forward to your views, guys, and maybe you've done it before, so let me know how you did it. For the moment, I'm very inclined not to take the sill off and actually do a cut around this area, and then get from the new part a similar cut off and then actually glue it on. And you've seen one of my videos on how I will place an aluminum plate in the back, bond that aluminum plate to that sill with the same material as the original sill is glued onto the chassis to give it that extra strength, and then put some polyester or filler up on the outside. Especially that this area really doesn't have any structural support requirements, except the fact that the rear clamshell is actually attached to the top of this wing here. So guys, let me know how you've done it, if you've done it. Let me know what you think about it, or give me some advice, because I need your help in making that decision, because I'm really in doubt on how I should do it.